Hi, this is the first of 3 different videos on multi-step equations. So first, our first problem is -4 times x plus 6 minus 2 equals -2. So we're first going to start off by changing the subtraction to addition. So you're going to write the problem again, just make sure you switch it to subtraction to addition. And then once you do that, you're going to make this number right here the opposite. So this 2 is going to become a -2 and equal -2. So now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the -4. So you're going to do -4 times x plus -4 times 6. And then you're just going to keep writing the whole problem. I like doing it that way because it makes me able to see everything that's going on. And then what you're going to do is you're now going to solve the multiplication, because multiplication comes first in PEMDAS, or parentheses, PEMDAS. So you're going to do -4x plus negative, so since it has one negative and they're both not negative numbers, it's going to become a negative number compared to when it would be a negative times a negative, which would equal a positive. So -4 times 6 equals -24. So I would say that 4 is like taking the lead on this one, even though it makes probably no sense to you. And then you're going to do plus the -2 because we haven't done anything with that yet. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add the two like terms. So that would be these two numbers. So that would be -24 plus -2, and that would be -26. And then you're going to add the rest of the number with the variable and then the answer, so you know that's there. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do -26, and you're going to do the opposite of that and add that. So plus 26, and -2 plus 26. Since the addition number is bigger compared to the negative number, you're going to do basically 26 minus 2, but we would say in math terms, which is more correct, 26 plus -2. So what we're now going to do is, so that would equal 24 positive, and then this would be, you would just bring the variable down because we did this number plus this number would equal 0, and so we just need that. The only answer there would be is -4x, which equals. So those two numbers equal, and then you're going to divide that one by 4, and then divide this one by 4, and the answer would be x equals 6. Thank you. This is the second video of my multi-step equations series. So the second one I'm doing is 3 minus 2 times x minus 4 equals -13. So we're first going to change it into addition, because in math you do not like doing minus. So you're going to do 3 plus -2 now, because once you change it to addition, you now have to do the number after it into a negative. So you're going to write the rest of the problem the same, except for this part 2, which would be changed into a -4 equals -13. So now you're going to distribute the -2 with the x and the -4. So 3 plus -2x or there's a times in there, but when you put a variable next to a number, there's an automatic times in there. And so negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative 4 equals negative 13. So now what you're going to do is you're going to now figure out what this one equals and this one. So you're going to do 3 plus negative 2x, and you don't really need to put the multiplication in between this, like I've said before. So this would already be there, but I like making sure I know what I'm doing. And then you're going to do plus. So negative 2 times negative 4 would equal 8, because a negative times a negative equals a positive. So that would equal positive 8, and then you would write the answer with it. So 3, so now you're going to add the like terms. Since the variable is not a like term with 3 and 8, so we're going to do 3 plus 8 would equal 11 plus negative 2x equals negative 13. So now, in most times, or not all times, but a lot of times when you're doing math equations, like this one, you're going to take this number and you're going to add the opposite of it. You're never going to add the opposite of the variable, because we're going to need that later. So you're going to do plus negative 11 for this side, and then plus negative 11 for the answer. And negative 13 plus negative 11 will equal negative 24. So you're going to put that right there. Then, since positive 11 equals plus negative 11 equals 0, the only number you have left is negative 2x. So you're going to put that on the other side, and you're like a fraction. Fractions are basically division, so that's basically what you're doing.
That was a 2K throw right there.
So negative 24 divided by negative 2, and then you're also going to do negative 2 on this side. You need to do the same division on each side. So negative 24 divided by negative 2 would equal positive 12.